Good morning everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. Yes, we are on one of my favorite places here in Stockholm. On Södermalm, of course, where else? We are going to the Hornstulls Marknad. Yes, we have Tantolunden in front of us. And the Hornstulls Marknad, for those who do not know what it is a market with, it's both clothes, it's food, it's just general good Södermalm vibes. The weather is fantastic. Sun is shining, it's 22 degrees. Life is good, folks. And let's check out what they got here. Oh, it's warm and sunny. I feel the sun in my face, it's lovely. So yeah, they got all these food trucks here. They got some music. You know, we got the vibes, people. This is what it's all about. What's this? El Patron, Stockholm, Chile. It's probably like tacos and stuff. This is one of Stockholm's best markets, if you ask me. And it's just because it's like along the water. It's Södermalm. It's just a very, chill vibes. What's this? Turkish street food. Nice. What's this? Pirogar. Oh, Chilean pirogar. Alright. Oh, it smells so good here. What's this? This is like some kind of drink. Juices. Liberian food. Nice. Fufu. Hey. Coffees, of course. See, we're on the waterfront here. Beautiful. So, a few years back they built here these stairs so you can sit and enjoy your food. I think that was really because of this market. Which is, by the way, every weekend between April and September. And it starts at 11:30 and I think it stops somewhere around 4 or 5 in the afternoon, something like that. Not really sure, but I like what they did here with the flags. It's pretty cool. Good vibes. And I would say most of these people walking around here are still like locals. I mean, there's tourists as well, but... Oh, churros. Hey! So here they got some clothes as well. It's not just food. Getting some bargains, some second-hand clothes. Oh, some jewelry as well. Hey! Oh, nice. Like a reggae type clothes. Oh, they build a little pontoon here or whatever it's called. It's really boat season as well now. Lovely. Everyone's out and about. Oh, I see a jet ski. See, this is what I mean why, you know, spring is my favorite time of the year. Everyone's outside. You know, city's coming alive. I'm just gonna wait for the jet ski. Is he coming or? Nope, not coming. All right. So yeah, we got Tanto Beach in front of us. It actually smells a bit like weed here. Well, that kind of fits with the market, right? The second-hand market kind of vibe. It's almost part of the deal, I would say. No matter where you go in the world, when you see clothes like that, when you see people, you know, selling the Bob Marley t-shirts, you know what's up. You know what's up. Yes. So it's a very small market. You know, this is the end already. Well, cool clothes as well. Let's keep on walking a little bit. Let's check out the beach over there. Everyone's running on their weekend run. There's a few good restaurants along this coast here. This is really one of the walks I can really recommend as a tourist. So if you're visiting Stockholm in the summer and the warm months, you start at Hornstull and then you walk all the way to Scandinavia, a bit straight further ahead. Let me check it out. So you got this big green area here, this park. It's called Tantolunden. Yeah, it's just a very good and vibrant place. Here on the left, we've got this graffiti wall. This is placed here especially for artists to create art, right? So it's here. See, this is where artists can just, you know, do some paintings. All right, let's go this way. Yeah, we'll end up this walk at the beach. It won't be a very long walk, but and the reason for that is because I want to go back to the market and get myself some food. You know, I saw some, like maybe South American food or something like that, some good stuff. So a lot of people here having parties, they're drinking wine. We've got the outdoor gym over here. Every time I'm at Tantolunden, I always think about Stuart, loyal subscriber. Shout out to Stuart who loves Tantolunden here, Tanto. So I think what they're trying to create here is a bit of that Venice Beach vibe, right? There's a massive outdoor gym here for the people that've been to LA, Venice Beach. You know, it's like a city beach. Of course, it's not the same, you know, this is a rocky beach, not a sandy beach, but still. So a lot of people out here today exercising. Let's not get too close, I don't want to disturb their session. And the other side of this park, when you keep on walking towards Scandinavia that way, there's actually another outdoor gym. So there's a lot of like what we call in Swedish svensexan, you know, like bachelor parties and stuff on this field as well. I actually see it bright to be over there. So yeah, one of Stockholm's best walks, people. From here all the way over to Scandinavia on a beautiful sunny day, such as today. Yes. So filming close to a beach is always a bit sensitive, so I won't film too much of that, because you know, people walking around in bikinis and there's kids and maybe people changing clothes and stuff. I don't want to be one of those YouTubers just going for the hits and the views, and you know, I know what works on thumbnails and not, and there's many other YouTubers basing their whole, like, how shall I say this, their whole channel is based around you know, just getting the views by putting girls in bikini on their covers. I don't really want to be like that. So yeah, always got to keep it a bit classy, right? Not too cheesy. Main thing is capturing the Södermalm feeling. So this is quite funny because here they just put a lot of sand. Do you see that? That's quite cool. They just put a lot of sand here and give it that real beachy feeling. So yeah, let's go here. Let's find some kind of lookout point. Oh, what a day. Lovely. I think these ice cream shops here are doing really good business. All right. So let's find some kind of lookout point here. Maybe somewhere around here. This is nice. So you can see all those new buildings on the other side there. See, and that's the jump tower where you can jump off in the water. Yeah, lovely. And the beach over there. I don't want to get too close. Very nice. Alrighty, I think that's kind of it for today. Tanto Beach, yes. Alright people, thank you for watching. Classic Södermalm walk, I give you a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.